Okay, I'm in part 2 of the CNC setup old school style. Right now I'm going to pre-run this part. It sets 2.5 inches stick out, which I have in my program description right there. This is my prove out procedure. I removed the part temporarily. My whole goal is not hitting this or the chuck. First thing I'm going to do is check my program in graphics. Alright. I want to understand how it works. And if I see anything weird. I don't see anything weird. I think we're making these little pond things. Looks like that. But in manufacturing, you're not sure what you're going to make. You just want to make sure it kind of works. Okay. On the mill, I actually raised the Z-axis 2 inches, but in the lathe, my whole goal is not hitting the chuck. And I want to be able to do that with the coolant off. Therefore, I'm not going to cut anything. I'm going to turn it on 25%, option stop for the M1s, and I want to put my position screen at distance to go. I'm going to do cycle start and then immediately go to single block. Alright, tool 1 is ready, and I'm going to go single block. Keep on single blocking. Alright, spindle is now on. And approach move. See, it's still kind of fast. I'm going to go to 5%. This is my distance to go right now. And I'm using my feed hold button. So I can even check at this point. I have negative 1.5779. So if I got in here with a tape measure, that is over 4 inches away. There's no way I'm going to hit anything. Alright. Spindle back on. Finish that move. That move is done. Right there. I'm going to get it up to the coolant phase. I'm going to shut the coolant off. Now I'm going to take out a single block and leave it on 5%. Now I can see a lot clearer. Cycle start. Everything looks like it's in the right position. My whole goal is not to hit the chuck. I can see pretty clearly here. I can hit that button and check my distance to go, even single block. There's 24,000, so I'm not even close to that. What's the next move? X and Z. More X and Z, more Z. A little more Z. Right, getting closer. Now it's going X, and all positives. Now it's going away. So usually those outside moves are the furthest over, so I can probably safely just keep my thumb on the button. Okay, my G50 set at 4,000 RPM. This is a 6,000 RPM machine, but I think we were getting some chatter in parts, so we maxed out our RPM, which is our G96 mode. Alright, so in roughing, little skim pass. I got my thumb on the button at all times because I trust nothing. Oh, what do we got there? I think I'll single block in this area. Single block off. Going home. I have the option of stopping. Alright, next tool, grooving tool. Tool change, single block again. Keep on pressing the button, spindle comes on. Put it on 5%. Finish that move. We'll see if it stops soon. This is my first position move, which is X 1.4 Z.2. Okay, distance to go. I'm going to take it out of single block on this one. Oh, I should have got to the coolant phase. Coolant off. Alright. So far so good. Not even close to the chuck. Looking good. Getting close. What's my distance to go? Not bad. Oh, good. I think we're all good there. Alright. And, oh, profile finishing. So it brings up the finishing tool again. I'm going to go back to single block. Alright, now slow it down. 5%. Alright. Finger on the button. Get to the coolant. Shut the coolant off. Single block off. Here we go. Alright. Finishing. This should just be one cut, I would expect. Hit the button. I got negative 1,000. What do we got now? 57,000. Nothing. Nope, it's out of there. Alright, part off tool. Single block again. Keep on pressing. Alright, oh, catch the 5%. Finish the move. Let's see if it stops. Stopped, very good. Cool it. Coolant on, shut the coolant off. Single block off. Well, I'm going to keep single block on because this is going to go the furthest to the left. I want to have control of that. Oh, look at that, a part sketcher came up. Alright, it says rapid to -2. Okay. What speed hold there? Normally, if I didn't have part sketcher on, I would open the door and I could watch, but I got coolant off so I could see much better. It says -1.2, so it looks like 1 inch plus. Let's go in, I hit feed hold again, I got -0.270. Oop, I didn't even get it in time. So that should be my cutting position. Let's go one move at a time with this. Alright, do it all visual, not with the numbers. Go into the middle. And back out. Oh, I think it's doing a little chamfering move. Back chamfering. Looks like it's pretty far up there. Alright. Now it's going to the middle. That's the middle. Going out. Very good. Let's get away from everything. And go in the correct direction. Okay, good. Keep on going one at a time. Try to sketch it down. I think I could safely go back to 25%. Single block off. End of program. Alright, I think I'm ready to cut chips.